What is work? To build a skyscraper, a giant ship, or a house? That's it? No, much more than that. Work is a kind of creation, creating and enjoying. We know what we are doing, why we do it, also how to do it better. We build, we repair, we decorate. We are creating when we are working. My job seems tiny. However, bricks pile up skyscraper. Screws constitute a giant machine. A tiny energy accumulated into great. What we operate, what we do, all makes sense. Every job I completed, every step closer to the world I want to create. Trust starts with perfect quality. A unique air duct design, soft handle grip, full double layer structure give FIXMAN stable, comfortable, and durable performance. We believe in technology and innovation. Believe in the magic of a good tool to change the world. A new brushless technology. A one-fits-all battery platforms. A cool appearance design. The ultimate experience brought by FIXMAN. Make work truly enjoyable, more professional, stable, and efficient. The more we fight, the stronger we get. When I look at my job, I feel excited and honorable in my heart. I did it. I got it. I created. I succeed. When we hold a good tool, we have the power to create the world. It is our hands. It is our friends. It is the link to the world. It is the dream of being a FIXMAN.
FIXMAN!
FIXMAN!
FIXMAN, never tire.
Never tire.
Build your world!
Build your world!
Be a FIXMAN. Build your world.